Hello everyone, we are the students of Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology. In photo, we did main project on Git online test system. We did this project under the guidance of Dr. K. Anuradha ma'am, head of the department, Computer Science and Engineering. We are the team for we are D. Upendra Raju, D. Narendra, J. Srikar and M. Sham. When we come to our project Git online test system, we have purpose like the purpose of online test simulator is to take online tests in an efficient manner and no time wasting for checking the paper. The main objective of online test simulator is to efficiently evaluate the candidate truly through a fully automated system that not only saves a lot of time but also gives fast results. When we come to the scope of this project is very broad in terms of other manually taking exams. Few of them are like this can be used in educational institutions as well as in corporate world. Can be used anywhere, anytime as it is a web-based application. User location doesn't matter. No restriction that examiner has to be present when the candidate takes the test. When we take the overview of this project Git online test system, we have three fields like login, test and result. Initially we have to log in, means like we have to register before we are writing the exam. There is a quality login window because this is more secure than other login forms. As in normal login window, there are multiple logins available so that more than one person can access to test with their individual login. And we have something like username and password. We are using username as rule number of the student. And when we come to the test page is the most creative and important page in this project. It consists of two modules, namely subject selection and utilities. Subject selection: from the given choices the candidate can select his field like C, C++ and Java, something like that, for taking on with the test. And when you come to the utilities, it includes skip and come back to the question afterwards if needed. Gives a list of attempted and unattempted questions, can go to any question directly and can either attempt or change the answer for already attempted questions. So in this we are disabling a right click. It's like he can't copy the question to search in Google, and we're keeping some time limit of 30 minutes to close the exam within some 30 minutes within some time gap. The technologies we used in this project Git online test system: front end as HTML. For designing part we used HTML and CSS cascading style sheets, and backend as is like for dynamic web pages we used PHP, or rather than this we can use .NET also. So for our purpose, for our easy purpose, we used here PHP, and here we use server as exam control panel. By using this we can control PHP, MySQL, and we can control dynamic web pages and static web pages. Database we use here PHP-MyAdmin, and coding language we use MySQL. When we come to the use case diagrams, in this we have administrator, student, faculty and system. Administrator can do anything, it's like add faculties and he can add students to the system. And student can do some things like login, user profile, manage student groups, student registration, manage test, appear for test, result generation and logout. Finally he can do logout. Among all this, faculty also can do some things like login, he can see user profile and manage student groups, and he can manage tests, means like he can add questions to the database, something like whatever the exam is going on, he can add the questions to that, he can remove the questions from that. And system also can have some important things like add faculties, login, user profile, manage student groups student registration, manage test, result generation, and logout. Student registration use case. When we come to the student registration use case, we have receive invitation and student. When we come to the student registration use case, we can send an invitation to the students whoever want to write the exam. System can manage the details of students, and student can create a password and enter the student name. By using student roll number and password, he can enter into the exam page and he can write the exam. And next, when we come to the manage test use case, faculty can do login, set title, enter question, set choices, set correct answer, select group for test, and log out. He can do multiple exam choices like timed test, allow practice test, test schedule, allow user defined answers, and negative rank ratio. It's like according to our choices, we can place negative marks like 1/3 or -1 according to our choices. These are some use case diagrams for my project. This is activity diagram for login. By entering username and password and submitting username and password, verifying username and password, we can log in into our register page. This is activity diagram for manage students. This is activity diagram for manage test. This is activity diagram for generate result. This is activity diagram for answer test. Sequence diagram overview. We have in this three fields like student, faculty, and system. According to the arrows of which we shown here, we have some tasks to do. Login, create group, add a student to the group, send mail invitation for registering for the exam, create test and log out, and register and again login and select test and answering the questions and getting the result. Getting the result to the mail. We can send the result to the mail. This is sequence diagram for manage student groups. This is sequence diagram for manage test. We can get to know about here class diagram. We have user profile and student response profile and group profile, test profile, faculty profile, and we have list of mails to send invitations and to send a report of student, each student. And we have class of test questions also. These are the user interfaces. This is my admin page, main admin page. When we come to the practically implemented my project, here you can see Git online test system main web page. This is register here. You can register here. We have so many fields like first name, last name, roll number, password, retype password, sex, codes, branch, year, SEM, email, and phone number. Choose security, your security question. For when you are forgetting your password, you can get your password by using the security question and answer. And back to admin. If you forgot your password, means by using your security question and answer, you will get your password back. And this is contact us, and this is about us. And in this order, I register with the rule number 082418050, and I allocated some password, our own password, and I got my home page like this. Welcome to Mr. Upendra Tenukunda. We have some instruction for this exam. We will be given 20 questions. All questions should be answered. Each question carry 1 mark each. No negative marking. You have time limit of 30 minutes. And left side of this we have home page, my report card, reset your password, and logout. For example, I want to write the exam in Java. So choose a subject in which you want to take the exam. Java. Click to proceed for the exam. See here, this is my exam page. I can't get anything when I am giving right click on this page. So I can't copy anything whatever is there on this page. I have so many questions and I am taking randomly 20 questions from my database. So we have 20 questions here. I am placing some random answers for these questions. So after filling all these fields, I am clicking submit. Yeah. So according to my random selection of answers, I got the scores to. Okay, I want to see my report card, which questions are correct and which questions are incorrect. For that, I have to click on this. Click to get report card. Okay, fine. I got report card like this: name, rule number, course, branch, year and SAM. What is the subject? Java. How much score I got? 3. And date and time. Correct date and time. And back to home. See, I got 3 score, right? So 4th question, 10th question and 20th question. These 3 are correct and remaining all are incorrect. I want to go back home. So back to home. And I want to see my report card which I have written the exam on Java. So for that, my report card. Choose the subject on which you written the exam and date. See this format: WWM and D. I have to enter date according to this only. So today 23rd April 23rd. So 2012. I enter like this. Click to get report card. So I got report card like this. I got 3 score in previous exam, so I got the report card. I can see this report card anytime, anywhere by using my username and password. We can limit this exam to part day 2 or part day 1, and I can reset my password through this option. Type old password, type new password, and retype new password. Fine. And back to home. So finally I can do logout successfully. So this is my basic implementation, practical oriented implementation for my project Grit Online Test System. So registration page, home page, and reset password, examination page, and scorecard and report card. This is report card of any exam. Disadvantages of current system: you are writing the exam, right? Manually you are writing the exam, so for this exam we have so many disadvantages. Current system is very time consuming and it is very difficult to analyze the exam manually. To take the exam of most candidates, more invigilators are required, but no need of invigilator in case of online exam. Results are not precise as calculation and evaluations are not done manually. The chances of paper leakage are more in current system as compared to the proposed system. Result processing takes more time as it is done manually. So what are the characteristics of the proposed system? So our proposed system is online test system. So in comparison to the present system, the proposed system will be less time consuming and is more efficient. Analysis will be very easy in proposed system as it is automated. Result will be very precise and accurate and will be declared in very short span of time because calculation and evaluations are done by the simulator itself. So it will do automatically calculating the result and sending a report card to the email ID. The proposed system is very secure as no chances of leakage of question paper as it is depend on administrator only. So depending on administrator only we are sending the exam papers. There is no chance of leakage. The logs of appeared candidates and their marks are stored and can be backed up for future use. So we can store and we can say report card of any time. By using this system, we can get to know our result. We can get to know our result by ourselves, and we can get to know our result by faculty. And finally, conclusion of my project. The online test system is developed using PHP and MySQL, fully meets the objective of the system for which it has been developed. The system has reached a steady state where all bugs have been eliminated. The system is operated at high level of efficiency, and all the teachers and user associated with the system understand its advantage. The system solves the problem it was intended to solve as requirement specification. Thank you for listening to this video. Thank you and all. And thank you to my HOD and supporting for this my project. Thanks for listening to everybody.